welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name is Rose, and today I'm going to try that pre-parting method that I've seen floating around on YouTube. So this is just me acting silly. I'm showing y'all my hair growth. My hair grew a lot, but I'm going to be using Blue Magic castor oil in my hair. And yes, I'm watching hair videos while braiding my hair. Yup. Yeah, so I'm gonna try the pre-parting method. So basically, the way it is you pre-part your entire head, and you're supposed to just braid, and then it'll go faster. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm parting my hair in half. I think I did it this way, and then I changed the way I did it after. I don't really remember, but basically I parted my hair in half, and then I did the front because I wanted the front to match with the back. So I started with the front. I cornrowed the front into, like, I think 5 cornrows on each side, so I had 10 cornrows on in front of my head. And then what I did was I took the lines of the cornrows from the front and I just lined it up with the back, so it gave me 5 or 6 rows in the back as well. So yeah, I believe I had 10 or 11 rows in my head. But this is just me parting the hair. As you can see, I am watching the video of how to do it because I've seen it a long time ago. I just didn't really remember. But yeah, this is Dope X Pana, I believe. So this is where I got the technique from. Yeah, this is just me parting, and then I hope you guys enjoy this video. So right here, I wanted to do a middle part because I just thought it would be more simple that way. Plus, I like middle parts. It's very versatile. So I am parting the middle of my head. And the way I always do it, I always make sure I have a middle part set. And then I also have my side part looking really nice. So if I want to decide, like, one day I decide to flip, I can just do that. And then I have a side part. But yeah. This is just me parting the middle. I love straight lines, so I take forever to part the middle of my head because I absolutely do not want it to look crooked. So yeah, took me a while, but yeah. Alright, so this is the part where I parted. I thought a time lapse would be better, but like it really was a little too fast. So I didn't really get to film anything else because I was just using my phone. But camera coming soon. 500 followers, on the road to 500 followers. Let's go. But yeah, so basically I did 5 on the left, 5 on the right with my middle part, and then I did 3 on the back. So that was the back section. And then in the middle section, what I did was I took the line from the front and then I matched it to the middle section. so I believe I had 4 or 5 rows in the middle. But yeah, that was basically it. It was pretty simple, and the hair I used was the Expression Pre-Stretch 30 inches, and I did I believe I added hair. Yes, I added hair to make it longer. But yeah, and then I also found this one, the Super X 60 inch. It was also in the color 30. It's from Expression too, I believe. It's just longer. That first one was 24 inch and that second one was 30. But yeah, as you can see, it was nighttime and I finished the back. I had went out to my auntie's house and stuff like that, so like that's why it took me forever. But I'm gonna do another time lapse again. I'm sorry. I thought it was a really good idea, but it did not work out well. But yeah, I'm just gonna do a time lapse showing you guys how I braided the row, and that is basically it.
Yeah, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make.
Alright, so I finished that next morning, and this is the final result. I do think that method was really good. Granted, I did go out and I did spend some time like not doing my hair, but I feel like if I had stayed and did my hair, it would have taken me less time. But yeah, I really liked it. It was less full. I usually put more rows in my hair, but like that method was also good. It was light. I could do ponytails. Usually when I have braids, I can't do ponytail. I have so much hair on my head. But yeah, it was really good. I really liked it, and this is it, you guys. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe on the road to 500. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.